Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well, and if you are new here, then welcome. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So today I will be bringing you guys some information on how you can rebuild your personal credit and pre-qualify for a credit card up to $1,000. So today we have a lender by the name of Imagine. Now with this credit card, they do report to all three major credit bureaus, and you have access to your free credit score so you can track your credit profile and health. Now, as I mentioned, you can pre qualify with no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. Now, with this credit card, you can receive 3% cashback rewards on gas, groceries, and utility bill payments, and 1% cashback rewards on all other eligible purchases. Now, with this imaginary credit card, there is no security deposit and no program fee, which I think is always great, especially if you are just trying to rebuild your personal credit or if you don't have any credit. Okay, now you can get a instant decision on your application without hurting your credit score. So there will be no hard inquiry on your credit report if you are approved or denied. Okay, now again, instant credit decision, zero liability fraud protection, no security deposit, and it's convenient. Now, I only recommend this credit card if you have a 520 credit score and below, because the initial payment for this credit card could be $350, but have a high limit up to $1,000. Okay, now they do charge a high annual fee because it's charged to your credit card at your account opening. The fee will make a quite significant dent in your initial credit limit. Okay, so keep that in mind. And they do not give out limit increases if you request it. They only would give it out 6 months of your account opening and making your monthly payments on time. But this could be a good card if you are looking to build or rebuild your personal credit. Again, I will only recommend this credit card if you have a 520 and below. So if you guys are looking for a credit card to help you rebuild your personal credit, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.